Greetings. This is Pastor Gemma. Today's topic is that we have to factorize. We have to factorize 6x squared plus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. So that is a given problem. Now, how can we factorize this is totally different from the other factor, the way we are factorizing the other way. Why? Because we are having the coefficient of x squared is 6. What is the coefficient? The coefficient is the number which is in front of x squared. So in this case, what we can do is that we are using what we call it the AC method. That's what we mean that this is A, B, C. Now this is A and C. So we are going to multiply a 6 times negative 3, and it will give us negative 18. Now we have to find two numbers to work with, and all the numbers what we get here, they have to when you subtract them, they have to give us positive 7. So now the 1 and 18 will not do that. So but 2 and 9, yes, those are the correct number what we can work with. So in this case, we will take now 6x squared minus 2x plus 9x minus 3 equal to 0. So we were having the trinomial, because why is it trinomial? Because they are 3. If we are having 3 terms, that is what we call it a trinomial. This is 1, 2, 3 terms. Now in this case, we have to use the other method, which is solving by groupings. Why? Because we are having more than 3 terms. So we have to solve it by grouping. So when we do that, take a look at these two numbers. The 2 can divide evenly into 6. So we will take the 2 out. 2x, that's why we are taking the 2x out here. And if we multiply 2 times 3, it will be 6x squared. Because why? X and x, if you multiply the 2 x's, they're going to give you x squared. And if you divide 2x divide by 2x, they are going to give you negative 1. When we come to the other side, we are going to take the smaller number, because the 3 will divide evenly into 9. So that's why we took 3 out here. Now if you multiply 3 times 3, it's going to give us 9. So 9x. And if we divide by 3, it's going to give us negative 1. That's why we are having negative 1 right here. Now we have to set up this term equal to 0. 3x minus 1 equal to 0. That's what we are having here. We put it equal to 0. And next, we have to take negative 1 to the right side. And if we do that, it's going to be positive 1. Next, we bring the 3x down here, and we are going to divide 3 by 3. 3 divided by 3 is going to be 1. 1 is, this is invisible. We are having invisible 1 right here. You can write it down if you want to, but it's not necessary. So the x is isolated in this case. Finally, we are having x equal to 1 over 3. Now we are going to do the same thing here to the right side. Put the whole term equal to 0, and then take push the 3 to the right side, and it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be a negative. Okay, and if we have that, then we bring the 2x down here, divide 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, and x will be isolated, and it will be negative 3 over 2. Finally, our final answer will be x is equal to negative 3 over 2. Why are we having two different answers? Because it's a quadratic equation. If we are having a 2 here, that means it's a quadratic equation, and we're supposed to have two different answers. Thank you very much, and good night.